Hello everyone. Last clip I made a video about automatic video editing, automatic short video editing, and today I'm going to guide everyone how to post short videos to hundreds of Instagram account so that we can have viral videos to advertise our product. This is the automated Instagram manager. I have over 100 Instagram accounts here to post short videos that people can go viral marketing. Go to the real video post. Here I will choose the videos. I just finished editing it the day before. I have edited these videos. Automatic loading and mounting my ad here. And now I'm going to post those. Insta account to be able to get this many views and direct customers to the main channel. I will choose the videos here. If we go back to the software, we will first go to this real video and set up some basic configuration such as the number of threads. Here I left 10 lines. That's 10 accounts posting videos at a time. Next, I will choose content. That means my videos. We're going to go to that video drive and choose that, and here we have the videos. Next, we will select the content from the file. I have a file here. When I post real video content, I will direct them to the main channel, direct customers to a channel. That's my YouTube channel. I'll always leave the link here. And I already have the file description. Select that description file. Uncheck this save sheet. When I am finished, I will set up some of these. Another configuration, for example, I will leave the original size. Next I can tag the channel. My Instagram is also here. Then I have a part to put. Set delete video. After successful posting means we're not going to get a duplicate video. After posting, we can like and comment on the post. I will always leave the link here. My marketing tool is here. That's to direct customers to their main channel. That and the setup is so simple. I will now select all the accounts to post automatically. Now click Start this software. It will automatically post it for us. And let's see how the software is. Every need needed. You can contact me directly. Bye everyone.